Hello and welcome. My name is Tim McCracken from Crypto Academy World, and to joining us today in the channel, we've got Devin, the Crypto Crusader.
Yeah, how you going, Tim?
Good mate, good mate. I got a funny feeling the market is turning. What's your gut feel?
Yeah, no, it's all looking a bit green out there today. So yeah, we'll
Yeah,
just
yeah,
see
yeah.
how it
And
goes.
I made a bit of a bold call the other day, and I got some criticism on it. I said, look, the altcoin season started, and guess what? The price went down. How do you think that looked? And what's important to notice is that price is only an indication, right? And at the moment, there's not a lot of liquidity in the market. Just because the price goes down doesn't mean the season hasn't started. And there's actually a way you can tell if the altcoin has season. So maybe we could have a look at that today, Devin. What do you think?
Yeah, we'll have a look, see what's going on out there.
Well, rather than looking at boring charts, let's just jump into the crypto bubbles. If no one's ever seen these before, I'll leave the link in the description below. So what we'll do is we'll get under to the crypto bubbles and see what's actually really going on in the market. And just like that, here we are with crypto bubbles. If you've never seen this before, as you can see up here, go to cryptobubbles.net. These are absolutely awesome. It's better than looking at coin market cap and graphs and lines and numbers. What would you rather look at, Devin?
Yeah, I prefer the bubbles myself.
Yeah, exactly. So I do too. It gives a really good picture. So if we have a look here, now, people say, oh, the crypto market's bad, it's terrible, or whatever. Well, this is this week, and it looks pretty whatever to me. It looks pretty damn green. What do you think?
Yeah, there's a lot more green today than it has been in the previous weeks, which is a good sign.
And we're seeing some good numbers too. CRV, that's the crypto has been, it's a very, very good project, been a while for some time. The newly listed Pi is just finding itself with discovery. So that's floundering around there. But what we have here is a top 100. Now, for you people out there that have never used this before, you just go up here and you click, right? And it brings down a menu. Is there anything on the menu or any level you'd like to have a look at in particular, Devin?
We'll check out the 1 to 200s, eh?
The 1 to 200s here? Okay.
Yeah.
You got a few favorites in here. Wow. Cheap, 67%.
Mm.
67s, 41s, 39s. And people think the crypto market is floundering. Now, as I said, I made a comment about the altcoins season had started and the prices went down, and there was some sniggering. Now, I'm going to share with you something a little bit later on, the insight to this, which is very, very valuable and important. So that's looking pretty good. What about if we go maybe a little bit deeper down, Devin?
Yeah, we'll try halfway at around 500.
500s, yeah, 11, averaging 11.8s. What have we got? Whoa. Wow. Look at these. Look at the growth. Fantastic. A lot are coming up. We're getting close to doing, 1x in a week. Bananas, that's doubling value in a week. That's absolutely incredible. And then we've got the BSG. That's 5.5 times. So that's $1,000. That's now $5,500. And people are saying that the crypto market's floundering. It doesn't look like it's floundering to me. Devin, what do you think?
No, it's all looking quite rosy, going by the bubbles.
Exactly, exactly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share a little insight. Why has the altcoin market already started? I'll let you into a little secret and know-how. When you get a pot of milk and you put it on the stove, and it might be an inch deep, slowly, the bubbles start at the bottom. And the bubbles get bigger and bigger as the milk gets hotter and hotter. And as the milk gets hotter and hotter, it rises up and up and up. And if you leave it too long, it goes whoosh and explodes everywhere, right? Markets, and especially the crypto market, is just like the milk. So how do you know if the altcoin season has started? The answer is very quickly. We're going to go back in the bubbles and have a look. We're going to go in there. We're going to start dropping right down the bottom and seeing what size of bubbles are actually popping around at the moment, because what happens is when people are making, as we've seen, 5x's, 1x, 2x in a week, they take that profit and they bank it in their bigger ranking assets such as Bitcoin. So without further ado, let's go back to the bubbles and just see So here we are back in bubble land. Let's start dropping. Let's look at this, 700, 15%. 4.9, 5.8, 5.5 is 5, but this has popped out to 15%. Wow. 9x. That's like $1,000 turning into nearly just over $9,000 in a week. Now, surely the profit takers will be taking at least 50%, or even smarter, a little bit more, and then going and banking that into maybe USDT to re-enter and buy a cheap asset, or bank it into Bitcoin. Let's see what else we've got floating around. Let's go down even lower. So when you're seeing this type of movement, and let's look for greens. Look at all the green. Look at all the green. More greens. Bubbling low. Let's start going up. So imagining the temperature's getting hotter in the pan, hotter in the pot, boiling away. You're seeing 50%, 40%, 1.7x. This is a consistent pattern that is showing all the way up. This will, and again, another 1x, 50%, 50%. This is becoming a common occurrence. This is going to have a huge effect because this shows that the market is starting to warm up. And why is it starting to warm up? It's because of all the changes that are happening in the crypto regulations. Trump's pro-crypto, SEC now pro-crypto. I feel that there's actually a bit of temperature in the bottom end of the market that's going to have an effect, Devin. What do you think?
Yeah, it's certainly looking that way, Tim.
Yeah. So only time will tell. So what we're going to do is let's just pop back and we'll wrap this up. Thanks for joining us, everyone. Devin, I know that you're sort of what, year and a half, year and a quarter into your crypto journey?
Yeah, coming in, 14, 15 months now. It's been a good learning curve over the last 14 months, and look forward to carrying that on.
Well, you copped that dreaded 7-month ranging channel, and that was just painful. And then we got the surge after the presidential elections. We're coming up, some uncertainty. Tariffs, the war, is that going to end? There's so much uncertainty out there at the moment. That's starting to clarify now. And what's going to see is that there's going to be more liquidity coming in. So we're looking forward to a surge coming probably in the short term very quickly. And that surge, I think, will be quite strong because there's such a positive environment, because the last 4 years have been an absolute nightmare under Gary Gensler and the SEC. What do you think about that, Evan?
Oh yeah, definitely. Yeah, I've been through it all in my short time in
Yeah.
crypto.
You got, you got the baptism of fire. The funny thing is, the worst thing that can happen is someone buys some crypto and it triples overnight. They get crypto drunk and then creates an expectancy. So you've been doing the hard yards, right? You've been training. I know you put a lot of research, a lot of time, a lot of effort into this, which is commendable. And we're looking forward to reaping the benefit in the future shortly. So my name's Tim McCracken from Crypto Academy World. I'm signing off. Devin, say goodbye to everyone. We'll speak to you soon.
Okay, goodbye.